Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free points on Shein. No jailbreaker computer needed. So as you can see, I got this app called Shein Plus. When I open this up, basically, it's going to show this like thing. And I don't really know how to get to it, but like let me try to show you. It's this toggle. So I turn this on, and then the points go up basically. So as you will see in a second, I can now increase my points. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it's a mod. It's called Shein Plus. So to get it, guys, go to this site called ZooMods and just type in Shein. So as you can see, it says Shein mod. Press on that. Wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to try this out for yourself because it's super cool. So if you want like Shein points for free, like guys, this is the secret method, the secret sauce to get Shein points because there's really no other way. And Shein is not affordable at all, so let me just show you guys. Here we are on the Shein website, which probably won't load since I'm using a shitty old iPhone, but it's very, very expensive, and there's really no way to get points for free. Points give you free clothes if you don't know. So as you can see, they're quite expensive. So be sure to try this method out because it's super cool, and it's a fully working video for you guys. So as you can see, I got tons of points, and I can actually get even more points, which is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. It's super awesome, bro. If you're broke like me, you don't have any way to get Shein points. So Shein points are actually gotten when you make an order. You get points for your next order. So if you can't afford anything on Shein, you're screwed because you're not going to get any points. But since I got this Shein Plus, I can just spoof my points. And they are real, but like I don't know if they're real or not, but the system thinks they're real because I bought so many clothes from this site. And I didn't have anything to begin with, so like I wasn't earning points or buying stuff. I was just hacking this app. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out, my gang.